Bolt's going to run something special. He wants to. He seems very relaxed.
He hasn't lost since the Brussels Grand Prix meeting, the Ivo van Dam Memorial meeting in Brussels.
Usain Bolt, Family, Lifestyle, Career, and Net Worth 2025. Usain Bolt, often hailed as the fastest man alive, is a Jamaican sprint legend who has captivated the world with his electrifying speed and charismatic personality. Born on August 21, 1986, in Sherwood Content, a small town in Trelawny Parish, Jamaica, Bolt was raised in a modest but supportive household by his parents, Wellesley and Jennifer Bolt. He has a brother, Sadiki, and a sister, Sherine. His family played a crucial role in nurturing his early interest in sports, especially cricket and football, before he eventually focused on track and field. Off the track, Bolt leads a luxurious but down-to-earth lifestyle. Despite his global fame, he remains closely connected to his Jamaican roots. He enjoys dancing to dancehall music, playing football, and spending time with his family. In 2020, he and his longtime girlfriend Cassie Bennett welcomed their first child, a daughter named Olympia Lightning Bolt, followed by twin sons, Saint Leo and Thunderbolt in 2021. Bolt frequently shares family moments on social media, showing his love for fatherhood and his pride in being a family man. Bolt's professional career is nothing short of historic. He burst onto the world scene at the 2008 Beijing Olympics, winning gold medals in the 100m, 200m, and 4x100-meter relay, all in record-breaking fashion. He repeated this feat at the 2012 London and 2016 Rio Olympics, making him the only sprinter in history to win 3 consecutive Olympic golds in those events. He set world records in the 100 meters, 9.58 seconds, and 200 meters, 19.19 seconds, records that still stand as of 2024. Beyond the Olympics, Bolt won 11 World Championship gold medals and was a global ambassador for athletics. His showmanship, including his signature lightning bolt pose, made him a fan favorite and a marketing icon. After retiring from athletics in 2017, Bolt explored professional football and briefly played for the Central Coast Mariners in Australia. He later shifted his focus to business and entertainment, launching ventures such as the Tracks and Records restaurant chain and his own line of scooters and headphones. As of 2024, Usain Bolt's estimated net worth is around $90 million. A large portion of his wealth comes from endorsement deals with global brands such as Puma, Gatorade, Hublet, and Virgin Media. Even after retirement, Bolt remains a highly marketable figure, earning millions through sponsorships, appearances, and investments. He also continues to support charitable work through the Usain Bolt Foundation, which focuses on creating opportunities through education and cultural development for children and young people. In summary, Usain Bolt is not just a world-class athlete but also a dedicated family man, a savvy businessman, and a cultural icon. From his humble beginnings in rural Jamaica to becoming a global superstar, his journey is a testament to talent, hard work, and staying grounded. Bolt's legacy lives on not only in record books but also in the lives he continues to inspire.